What's going on, everybody? Just got a new little POV kind of cam thing here. It mounts right on the mirror, and it's awesome. It's sweet. We're gonna get a little bit of driving in, see how it works. Oh yeah. Come on, miss. There you go. There you go. Yep. A little bouncy, but it works. Yeah, it's a little bouncy. That's awesome. See if they're open. Time to get some food. Oxford Farmers Market. Definitely come to it. I don't know what this guy's doing. Oh, all right. Nice. Barely see your turn signal, but that's okay. Right now we're just sitting at third gear, around 3,000 RPMs. Let's see, this traffic clears up a little bit. Three. Alright, 4,000 RPMs. 3, 2, 1, go. Definitely 55. Nice. Gotta love it. Oh, hey, Mr. Tractor. Alright, we're gonna slow down here. Oh, it's a nice Mustang over there. Straight away. But now we have to do what this car is really meant for. It's the turns, maybe. This car really doesn't sound bad stock. I mean, it's not loud. It doesn't sound bad. Pretty clean buggy though. Not sure if you can see that, but the wheels are nice and shiny. Little sparkle coming off. Not a bad looking buggy. Alright, getting a little loose. Must have been a hot tune they put in it. Had to be. Let's see what we got here. Give him plenty of room. Here we go. I just bought all this new stuff. Try little foam cannon thing, but it doesn't hook up to a pressure washer. It's weird. If any of you ever use Roundup, how you have to pump the top, build up pressure in there, just a little bottle on the bottom. That's what this is. It says just add 2 or 3 ounces of soap, fill the rest with water, pump it up, and it'll start spraying. We'll see how it works. I mean, it was cheap. Thought it looked cool. So, grabbed it. Probably won't work, but if it does, sweet little doohickey, take anywhere, don't need a pressure washer. We'll find out here pretty soon. So the reason I went out to go get all this stuff is because of, you know, the coronavirus. You know, everybody's saying, oh, you're going to be quarantined for the next 15 days. Not looking forward to that. But if that is the case, it gives me time to work on the garage, clean up the cars. Yeah, work on the garage, clean up the cars. Unless they say you're quarantined at home, but you can still run out to get groceries. Might have to go grocery shopping every day, just so I can get out of the house and take the car out. Or the Duramax out. One of the two. Because today it's pretty nice out. I mean, it's 46 degrees. But right now in PA, that's pretty good. Except for yesterday or 2 days ago, it was 80 degrees outside. It was amazing. I believe that was yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday. 80 degrees where I work. I was like, you've got to be kidding me. This is awesome. And we're expecting snow on Monday. Welcome to Pennsylvania. It's a great place. Should definitely move here. But no, you really shouldn't. You really shouldn't. But if you do want to come to PA, highly recommend going to Hershey Park. That's our pride and joy. PA's pride and joy. Hershey bars, I know you love them.